Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. As we step into a brand new year, it's the perfect time to reset, refocus, and build habits that can transform our lives. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits you should adopt to make this year your best one yet. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, start your day with a morning routine. First up, build a morning routine. How you start your day sets the tone for the rest of it. A great morning routine could include meditation or mindfulness. Just 5 to 10 minutes can help clear your mind. Physical activity, whether it's a quick yoga session, a run, or even stretching, it energizes you. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. The key here is consistency. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to work for you. Habit number 2, set clear goals and review them regularly. Next, let's talk about goal setting. It's not enough to set New Year's resolutions. You need to break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Write down your goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Review your progress weekly to stay on track and adjust if necessary. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Habit number 3, practice mindful consumption. In today's digital world, being mindful of what we consume is more important than ever. This includes food. Choose whole, nutritious meals that fuel your body. Media. Limit screen time and consume uplifting content. Energy. Surround yourself with people and activities that uplift and inspire you. This habit can bring clarity and peace into your life. Habit number 4, learn something new every day. Keep your mind sharp by embracing lifelong learning. This could mean reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching educational videos. Picking up a new skill or hobby, like cooking, painting, or coding. Learning a new language or expanding your professional skills. Small, consistent efforts over time lead to big results. Habit number 5, prioritize rest and self-care. Finally, let's talk about rest. It's not just about sleeping, it's about prioritizing your overall well-being. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Self-care routines. Take time to recharge, whether that's through a spa day, journaling, or simply disconnecting from work. Boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy. When you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges. These 5 habits may seem simple, but they can have a profound impact on your life if you stick to them. Which of these habits are you most excited to try this year? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Here's to a year of growth and success. See you in the next video. Fade out with a motivational quote. Small habits lead to big changes.